Hi, this is Christine Firstis, CTO of GE Additive, answering your questions. Question from Adam, who wants to know about additive replacing plastic injection molding. Is it really a possibility? Well, Adam, what I will tell you is that additive is a modality that can disrupt many types of conventional processing, but there's always going to be a place for processes like injection molding. What do I mean by that? Well, injection molding right now is great for a lot of thermoplastics, thermosetting, even some elastomers, and there's been great strides made. It's always going to have a wonderful place. But as we get to very different features and parts, very fine, looking at some very advanced materials, including plastic composites, as well as looking at being able to make very small quantities that are customized. A lot of great applications right now in consumer products, being able to customize in wearable products. That's really where additive comes in. The ability to form layer by layer to the shape you want, the size you want, and the properties you want. That's what additive's about. Place for it in plastic, wonderful place for it in metals. Please learn more at www.ge.com/additive. Thanks.